Okay, this is a video tutorial about how to install the Flogo application onto the Ubuntu 18.04 and create a Hello World application based on the MQTT. First, we need to install the Docker. So sudo snap install docker. Wait for it to finish. At the same time, we can start to download a MQTT client from here. Yeah, I'll just save this one. So it's downloading. Okay, Docker is installed. Next step, we need to run the Flogo application. Sorry. Port number. Okay, so it will start to download. Keep, and let's say from here we install this MQTT client. Install. Let's wait for it to install. Good. Now let's open another terminal. Just install Mosquitto, which is the MQTT broker on the local machine. Okay. Yes, please. Okay, MQTT broker is installed. What we need to do is just run the MQTT fx and connect to the local Mosquitto, which is the on the local host, and the port number is 1883. Okay, so connect, and if you say for example, if I input as the topic and hello as a message, and then I subscribe to all the messages, and then I publish this message on here on the subscribe, you can see I received a input topic message. The message content is hello. So okay, so locally the MQTT broker is running. So on the other side, our Flogo is also running the Flogo Docker container. So what we do is just the local host and 3303 as it mentioned here. So now we have the Flogo web app showing up. So what you need to do next, you actually need to go to the GitHub project logo. Okay, here it has a edge. Where is the edge? Edge contribute, because as I mentioned before, we need to do a hello world based on the MQTT. So we need to add a trigger. So MQTT trigger. So here you need to copy this and let's say install contribution. Okay, see that it's installing. Once it's installed, it will say, hey, good. Another one we need to install is the MQTT activity, so which is here. Yep, copy this one here, and again go to here and install this. So you can see that it's installed again. Good. So let's create a MQTT hello world. Yes. Okay. Let's create an action. I say this is flow. This is a MQTT hello world action, for example. Okay, it's created. You click on that to get into this, and here we can find MQTT. So MQTT to receive a message. So that's where it's trigger. This is the trigger. Okay, and the input and output. So first, let's say localhost. Yep, an ID, for example, test input, for example. I always say input is the topic. Auto reconnect, yes, I like to have an auto reconnect. For others, we just leave it as the default. Yep. First this one, and then input output. What is the input output? So you need to go back to the edge contribute trigger MQTT, and here this trigger has output of message, type of string, topic parameters, the parameters here. So what you need to do is the input here. This is a trigger. A trigger will be output these parameters. So it's an input of this flow. So what you need to do is, for example, here topic. What is that? Next message, yeah, and a what is it called? Topic params. So okay, so now I think this is probably a object type. Is it? Params. What is params? Params here. Yep. Save that, and down here you will see that there's another tab. Switch to here, and message is actually the message. Yeah. So what it means that the message is mapped to the flow input message. Here topic. So it's not showing here. What you can do, this topic, leave it here. This one, click the topic params here. Now you have everything from MQTT. Next one, we need to have a log, for example. In the log, you can just simply say, what do you want to print? I can say, what about like this? Topic topic. Yep. And give it a break. And then message. What is that here? This one here, yeah. So like this. Good. Save and add another one. We received a MQTT message, and then we reply MQTT message. So we add a MQTT activity here. So broker again. So you need to type TCP localhost 188.3 as ID. I don't know, MQTT probably test output. Yep. And topic, let's say output, for example. Yep. And then the map input. So here you can say hello plus what's the message here. Yep. So that's pretty much about it. And what you can do is go back to the application here, and you just say, depends on the system you are running. I'm running on Linux, so start to build. Wait for a moment. You will see that it's see, it's downloaded here. So this one here. So I open a terminal. If I say first I need to make it executable. Yeah, and then I can run it. Okay, so what I want to do is okay, I'll say in the topic input, I'll say Word as the message. I publish that. You can see here in the log activity, we printed out the topic is input as it here, and the message is Word. So and see, it should return us a MQTT message as well. So let's see what we subscribe here. We inserted, we published a message Word. Now we get hello world as the output topic. Okay, that's how we make we install Flogo and build the first MQTT based hello world application. Thanks for watching.